So Hing Plastic Manufacturing Limited was established in 1995, and it's a Hong Kong design and manufacturing company. They focus more on PVC animal figures, and they have their own brand, Weno, and their licensed brand is the Animal Planet. As you can see behind me, everybody knows that, right? And they have complied with the ISO 9001 standards. They comply also with the AN71 ASTM F963 safety standards. They export mainly in Europe, USA, Japan, Australia, and other 60 regions or countries around the world. Their factory is so massive, it's about 7,200 square meters, and they have about 300 employees in this factory right now. So let's check out more of their facilities, and I'm quite excited because I like these dinosaur figures. So let's go. And I'm here right now in their showroom, and I can see all their products. And behind me, it's a series of animals, dinosaurs, all these animals. We're gonna look into their featured product in a bit, but I want to note, because this is really important, that they have EN71 STM F963 standards, and I can see they also have the record of participation from Intertech. They have the BSCI permits, IETC TP permits, and also they have the ISO 9001 2015 certification. Even the Hong Kong Q, they have their certification as well. I'm here right now in one of their spray painting facility. And behind me is actually one of the machines that perform this duty. This machine actually, if you look closely, I have here a blank PVC action figure, right? Or a toy. And after the process, it will be painted just like this. That means each piece is more accurate. They all look the same, keeping quality intact and as well increased yield. Right, so right now I'm in one of their 4 workshops, and here alone is already a 500 square meter facility. And this facility houses 18 machines, and these machines are the plastic injection machines. And as you can see, they have these robotic arms. They actually increase efficiency because of automation. Behind me is where they test the thickness of the box, because safety is not only about the toy itself, it's also about the box, because when you give this to a kid, make sure that the box is safe for the kids and the toy itself is safe for the kids. So I have here, they even test the packaging itself, so how thick it is, and on this part is the when they test the outer box edge, so it shouldn't be sharp and something like that. And this one actually is really interesting. This is the torque test. This is a torque test. And then our friend over here, Ni Hao. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be bothering him. She's doing QC right now. But this is the tension tests. And all these testing machines actually are being fed. Can you follow me? Come here. Can you follow me? All right. Can you take a shot of this one? And this part, what I was trying to mention to you guys, this part, all the tests here are fed to this computer, and this computer actually goes to the big dashboard. So quality is being monitored.